Have you ever wondered if a popular project management tool like ClickUp uses SQL? It's a question that's been on my mind for a while, and I'm here to find out. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the standard language for interacting with relational databases. It's the backbone of many applications, from simple websites to complex enterprise systems. So, does ClickUp, with its reputation for being powerful and flexible, leverage SQL for its underlying data management? Part 1. Understanding ClickUp's core functionality. ClickUp's features. Let's start by understanding what ClickUp does. It's a comprehensive project management tool that offers features like task management, time tracking, collaboration, and more. At its core, ClickUp helps teams organize and execute projects efficiently. Data storage needs. Given the variety of data ClickUp handles, it's clear that it requires a robust data storage solution. This includes tasks, deadlines, comments, attachments, and other project-related information. Part 2. Exploring SQL and its advantages. SQL Basics. Before diving into ClickUp, let's quickly review what SQL is. It's a declarative language, meaning you tell SQL what you want to do, and it figures out how to do it. This makes it efficient and powerful for managing large datasets. Advantages of SQL. Why is SQL so popular? It offers several advantages, including scalability. SQL databases can handle massive amounts of data. Reliability. SQL databases are known for their reliability and consistency. Flexibility. SQL can be used to perform a wide range of operations, from simple queries to complex data analysis. Integration. SQL integrates well with other systems and applications. Part 3. Analyzing ClickUp's potential use of SQL. Data structure. To determine if ClickUp uses SQL, let's consider how it might structure its data. It's likely that ClickUp uses a relational database model, where data is organized into tables with rows and columns. This is a common approach in software development, and it's well suited for managing the kind of data ClickUp deals with. SQL operations. If ClickUp does use a SQL database, it would likely perform various SQL operations, such as selecting data, retrieving information from the database, like tasks, deadlines, and comments, inserting data, adding new data, such as creating new tasks or projects, updating data, modifying existing data, for example, changing a task status or due date, deleting data, removing data, like deleting completed projects or archived tasks. Evidence and speculation. While we can't definitively confirm ClickUp's use of SQL without official statements from the company, the evidence suggests that it's highly likely. Many popular software applications, especially those that deal with large amounts of data, rely on SQL databases. Part 4. The benefits of SQL for ClickUp. Scalability and performance. SQL databases can scale to handle the growing needs of ClickUp as it attracts more users and features. Additionally, SQL's efficiency can contribute to a fast and responsive user experience. Flexibility and customization. SQL's flexibility allows ClickUp to adapt to different workflows and customization needs. It can support complex queries and data analysis, enabling users to gain valuable insights from their project data. Integration with other systems. If ClickUp uses SQL, it can easily integrate with other systems that also use SQL, such as CRM tools or time tracking software. This can streamline workflows and improve data consistency. In conclusion, while we can't definitively prove that ClickUp uses SQL, the evidence strongly suggests that it's a likely candidate. The benefits of SQL, including scalability, reliability, flexibility, and integration, make it a compelling choice for a project management tool like ClickUp. Whether ClickUp uses SQL or not, it's clear that it's a powerful and versatile tool that helps teams manage their projects effectively. As ClickUp continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how it leverages technology to enhance its capabilities and meet the changing needs of its users. If you're a ClickUp user or are considering using it, I'd love to hear your thoughts on its features and functionality. Share your experiences in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.